director. He's a president for school and also all the program.
विश्वविभूषित वेदांत प्रशिक्षण केंद्र संस्थापक गीता ज्ञान यज्ञ प्रचारक विश्व हिंदू परिषद संस्थापक भारत गौरव सम्मानित योगारूढ़ श्रीमंत सद्गुरु श्री चिन्मयानंद महाराज की, श्री चिन्मयानंद महाराज की, श्री चिन्मयानंद महाराज की। बोलिए श्री चिन्मय सद्गुरुनाथ महाराज की। भारत माता की, सनातन हिंदू धर्म की। वंदे वंदे वंदे।
Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. When the light of wisdom dawns, ignorance dissolves. When a guru walks the earth, generations awaken. And when such a master is remembered, hearts are purified. Respected Pujya Swamijis, distinguished dignitaries, honored members of the Board of Management, teachers and my dear students, a reverential and graceful morning to all. Today is not merely a celebration, it is a sacred remembrance. We have assembled here to commemorate the Amrit Mahotsav of Chinmaya Mission. This Mahotsav is not only a tribute to our glorious legacy, but also a reaffirmation of our commitment to live by the timeless wisdom imparted by Gurudev. Gurudev often reminded us true success is measured not by what we accumulate, but by the transformation we bring within. May this celebration elevate our minds and sanctify our hearts. Before words are spoken, let devotion speak. To invoke divine grace upon this auspicious occasion, our students shall now offer an inaugural prayer dance, a sacred expression of surrender at the lotus feet of the Guru. May this offering purify the atmosphere and align us with higher consciousness.
गुरुदेव तव महानी कृपा, गुरुदेव तव महानी कृपा, मेरे जीवन का अवलंबन है, बस एक यही
That was not merely a performance, but a prayer in motion, graceful, serene, and uplifting. Let us carry that sacred vibration forward. The Bhagavad Gita is the eternal song of the Lord, a scripture that guides humanity towards righteous living and inner strength. As part of this sacred celebration, our students will now present Gita Panchamrita, a collective chanting of selected verses from the Bhagavad Gita, symbolizing 5 nectarine teachings that nourish the mind and elevate the soul. May this divine chanting fill the atmosphere with peace, clarity, and spiritual strength.
उद्धरेदात्मनात्मानं नात्मानमवसादयेत् आत्मैव ह्यात्मनो बन्धुः आत्मैव रिपुरात्मनः कर्मण्येवाधिकारस्ते मा फलेषु कदाचन मा कर्मफलहेतुर्भुः मा ते सङ्गोऽस्त्वकर्मणि यत्करोषि यदश्नासि यज्जुहोषि ददासि यत् यत्तपस्यसि कौन्तेय तत्कुरुष्व मदर्पणम् अनन्याश्चिन्तयन्तो मां ये जनाः पर्युपासते तेषां नित्याभियुक्तानां योगक्षेमं वहाम्यहम् सर्वधर्मान् परित्यज्य मामेकं शरणं व्रज अहं त्वा सर्वपापेभ्यः मोक्षयिष्यामि मा शुचः मोक्षयिष्यामि मा शुचः.
The divine chanting has cantified this gathering and filled our hearts with spiritual serenity. With that sacred vibration guiding us forward, we now move to the next segment of our program. In every noble gathering, hospitality reflects humility. I now respectfully invite Mrs. Bhagyashree T. to deliver the welcome address and extend her warm greetings to our revered Swamijis and dignitaries.
Hari Om, and a very good morning to one and all present here. With immense joy, devotion, gratitude in our hearts, I extend a warm and reverential welcome to all gathered here for this auspicious celebration of Amrit Mahotsav of Chinmaya Mission. This sacred occasion marks not just a milestone in years, but a glorious journey of spiritual awakening, selfless service, and tireless dedication to spreading the timeless wisdom of our scriptures. This Amrit Mahotsav is not merely a celebration of the past, it is a reaffirmation of our commitment to carry forward the noble vision to transform individuals through knowledge, to serve society with compassion, and to live a life rooted in Dharma. As we begin today's spiritual program, may we open our hearts to the teachings, reflect deeply on the wisdom shared, and renew our dedication to walk the path of righteousness and self-discovery. With deep reverence and immense joy, we extend our heartfelt welcome to Pujya Swami Kritatmanandaji, Acharya of Chinmaya Mission, Hubli. Pujya Swamiji has been a guiding light to countless seekers, tirelessly spreading the timeless wisdom of the Bhagavad Gita and the Upanishads through his inspiring discourses, simply yet profound teachings and compassionate guidance. He has helped many lead a life rooted in values, devotion, and self-discipline. His dedication in nurturing spiritual growth and strengthening cultural roots stands as a true reflection of the noble vision of Chinmaya Mission. We feel truly blessed by his gracious presence among us today. Pujya Swamiji, we offer our humble pranams and warmly welcome you to this auspicious gathering. I request Mr. Jagadish to garland Pujya Swamiji. Thank you, sir. With deep devotion and heartfelt respect, we extend our warm welcome to Swami Adityananda Ji, Acharya of Chinmaya Mission, Mandya. Pujya Swamiji has been a dedicated spiritual guide, spreading the eternal message of the Bhagavad Gita and the Upanishads with clarity and conviction. Through his inspiring pravachans and compassionate guidance, he has nurtured devotion, discipline, and right understanding among devotees and seekers alike. His unwavering commitment in preserving our cultural heritage and strengthening spiritual values in society reflects the true spirit of Chinmaya Mission. We feel truly blessed and honored by his gracious presence among us today. Pujya Swamiji, we offer our humble pranams and extend a heartfelt welcome to you. I request Mr. Guruswami Sir to garland Pujya Swamiji. Thank you, sir. With profound respect and heartfelt joy, School, Coimbatore. Pujya Swamiji has been a dedicated torchbearer of the Chinmaya Mission's vision, harmoniously blending spiritual wisdom with modern education. Under his guidance, Chinmaya International Residential School has flourished as a center of academic excellence rooted in strong values and character building. His leadership inspires students to grow not only intellectually but also morally and spiritually. Through his compassionate guidance, disciplined approach, and commitment to holistic education, he continues to shape young minds into responsible, confident, and value-driven individuals. Pujya Swamiji, we are truly blessed by your gracious presence. We offer our humble pranams and extend a heartfelt welcome to you. I request Dr. Narayan Sir to garland Pujya Swamiji. Thank you, sir. Welcome to Srimati Meera Shivlingaya, the esteemed chairperson of Chinmaya Vidyalaya. Her visionary leadership, unwavering dedication, and commitment to Gurudev's ideals have strengthened the mission's noble work in the fields of education, culture, and spirituality. Ma'am, your gracious presence today is a true blessing for all of us. We warmly welcome you and express our heartfelt gratitude for your constant support and encouragement. I request Mrs. Shilpa Shri to garland Mrs. Meera Shivlingaya. Thank you, ma'am. We are equally privileged to welcome Dr. Narayana MS, the dedicated secretary of Chinmaya Vidyalaya under the banner of Chinmaya Mission. A person of wisdom and extensive knowledge, Dr. Narayana's commitment to quality education and value-based learning has been a pillar of strength for our institution. His clarity of thought and tireless efforts continue to guide us towards progress and excellence. Sir, we sincerely thank you for your constant support and are truly honored by your presence today. We extend to you a heartfelt and respectful welcome. I request Mr. Kiran to garland Mr. Narayana MS. Thank you, sir. We are truly blessed and honored to welcome Brahmacharini Tarini Chaitanya Ji today. Her presence reflects dedication, discipline, and deep commitment to the path of knowledge and service. As a seeker devoted to spiritual learning and selfless work, she has inspired many through her simplicity, clarity of thought, and unwavering heartfelt welcome. I request Mrs. Shruti to garland Tarini Chaitanya Ji, Brahmachari Sudhir Chaitanya Ji from Chinmaya Mission to our gathering today. A dedicated Brahmachari Sudhir Chaitanya Ji. I request Mr. Srinivas to garland Sudhir Chaitanya Ji. Thank you, sir. A warm and heartfelt welcome to all the dedicated Yuva Veers. Your spirit of service, commitment, and willingness to contribute your time and energy truly reflect the values that our mission stands for. The journey you undertake is not just a physical one, but a journey of devotion, teamwork, and shared purpose. I heartily welcome Ms. Arya. A cordial welcome to Mr. Nitin. A gracious welcome to Mr. Mohit. A pleasing welcome to Mr. Shukadeva. A glad welcome to Vratesh. A amiable welcome to the Sarathis, Kumar and Chandru. A gracious welcome to you, sir. I am glad to welcome Mr. Yogananda, sir. A cordial welcome to you, sir. A hearty welcome to Ms. Guruswami. A pleasant welcome to you, sir. I would also like to welcome Mr. Rajan. A cheerful welcome to you, sir. A pleasant welcome to you, sir. I would also like to welcome Mr. Narayana for his gracious presence. It's my pleasure to welcome all the senior students of Chinmaya Vidyalaya. I take privilege in welcoming our principal, Mrs. Veena. A gracious welcome to you, ma'am. Your dedication, vision, and tireless efforts are the foundation upon which this grand celebration stands. The Amrit Mahotsav is not just a milestone in years, but a tribute to the ideals, values, and spiritual legacy that the mission has nurtured and shared with society. We deeply appreciate our commitment, guidance, and spirit of service in making this occasion meaningful and memorable. May your collective efforts continue to inspire and strengthen the mission's noble work for generations to come. Thank you for being the guiding force behind this historic celebration. A warm and joyous welcome to all our dear students, respected teachers, and beloved alumni as we gather for this celebration. This sacred milestone is a celebration of dedication, learning values, and the countless memories created within these walls. To our students, you are the vibrant present and promising future of our institution. To our teachers, you are the guiding light who shape young minds with patience and wisdom. And to our alumni, you are our pride and living testimony to the ideals we cherish. Your presence today makes this celebration truly complete. May this Amrit Mahotsav strengthen our bond, rekindle beautiful memories, and inspire us all to continue walking the path of knowledge, service, and excellence together. Let us celebrate with gratitude, unity, and joy. Hari Om.
Thank you, ma'am, for those gracious and heartfelt words that beautifully set the tone for today's celebration. To understand the depth of the enlightened soul, we must revisit his journey, his quest, his conviction, and his compassion. We shall now witness a documentary presentation portraying the life, mission, and timeless teachings of Pujya Gurudev, a saint who transformed spiritual knowledge into a living movement.